Hello, this is Brian Rezny, President of Rezny Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. Of course, we're firmly into the second quarter of 2023. Generally speaking, the economy is doing well. We're starting to see inflation continue to abate. The Fed has a meeting, starts today, and of course we'll end tomorrow, so we'll find out if they're going to raise rates another quarter point, half point, or maybe take a pause. Personally, I think the Fed at least should take a pause and kind of watch the next month or two to see how inflation continues to abate so that we don't over-tighten too much and really overslow the economy. But again, if you look at lending, you look at consumer spending, business spending, manufacturing, supply chains, things of that nature, many things look good and some things look a little bit weak. So what we're doing is we're slowing the economy because of the increase in rates over, let's say, the last 10 months. It's slowing the economy. It's bringing that inflation number down, which we need. And ultimately, by the end of this year, I wouldn't be surprised if we're somewhere at a 3% inflation rate or potentially a negative rate. It could be either side of the coin. And again, a lot of that has to do with once you start slowing down the economy, you have this big lag effect that often will take up to 12 to 15 months before you really see the real negative impact of the slowing economy. And again, they started 10 months ago, so we're clearly close to a year of this, but we are seeing slowing effects. That's why I'm a little concerned that they don't increase interest rates too much more, and maybe we take a pause and watch kind of attitude over the next month or two. But the economy, generally speaking, is growing. We are chugging along. There was another bank failure, as you heard. Again, that was absorbed by another bank. Not the end of the world. These things do happen all the time. Of course, we've got the debt ceiling debacle they're talking about again. Remember, we have a debt ceiling talk and budget talk every year. This has gone on for decades. It's nothing new. The world will not come to an end. Will they wait to the last minute? Will it get delayed a week or two? Potentially. Will we see some market turbulence because of it? We could see market turbulence to the upside, and we could see it to the downside. But generally speaking, the economy, again, is chugging along. The equity markets in the U.S. are actually doing pretty decent year to date. And one of the things I want to stress to every one of our clients, as I've talked many times, volatility is normal. And I know I talked to a few clients here and there on the phone that maybe will give a phone call and they just want to really talk to me and get my, maybe a little bit more information. And often the things that I hear from clients is just really a lot of the stuff that you're listening to and reading, whether it's emails or media or social media. There's so many hyped stories today to get you to watch things or read it. And this hyped information often will lead people to make bad decisions. I will say the majority, 99% of our clients, really allow us to do our job and don't get emotional and really listen to these videos and understand that over the next 3 years you're probably going to be in much better shape than you are today. But not every year's up 15 or 20%. You're going to have a year like last year where you're down 15 or 20%. It's the nature of investing. But again, I firmly feel over the next 3 years, things will be greener, the grass will grow, and ultimately your portfolio will have a great opportunity to really grow, prosper, and provide the income and growth that is necessary for sustainable long-term retirement and really beat that inflation number. That's vitally important. As always, if you have any questions about your portfolio, give us a call. If you're concerned or you need to schedule either a phone review or an office review, give us a call. We always like to keep our clients in touch, in tune, and make sure we keep you well informed so that you know we're doing the job we need to do and you can really sit back and enjoy your retirement. Have a safe and profitable day.